All right, I'm gonna try and explain something that I think makes a lot of sense. So I've got this, right? I like riding this a lot. Also, I like riding these a lot. So I started to build this to try and mix this and this, but this doesn't really like doing this. So because this has questionable reliability and doesn't really love to do what this can do and this can't do it, I got this. I think that's pretty natural progression and makes a lot of sense, right? Yes, sirree, Bob. Despite I have owned this for a little while. I think I bought it in February-ish. Have posted on Instagram with it quite a bit. Let's officially introduce and welcome the newest two-wheeled adventure machine to the fleet. This Husky FE250. It is, as the title suggests, it's pretty clapped out. It's a bit of a clapped out machine. When I bought it, the brake pads, they were gone. I replaced them. I wanted to make a video at the time. I didn't. The rear wheel bearings, they gone. I've got new ones. I just haven't done them yet. This is a little bit broken. The front brake light switch doesn't work. You know, this thing has just been ridden hard and, you know, enjoyed thoroughly, and it continues to be enjoyed by me. Honestly, you'd probably be ill-advised to buy a European bike that maybe lived a bit of a hard life, but hey, I don't know the difference anyway. As long as it runs and gets through a little bit of dirt, doesn't die. Well, it hasn't died yet. I feel like I got my money's worth, honestly. I am a happy camper. This thing is way too much dirt bike for me. I've got a lot of bad habits from mountain biking. I don't know how to ride this. I'm having a lot of fun doing it. I'm out here. This is like a dirt road, but there's like little sections. Where is it? I lost it again. You drop in here and there's like dirt bike single track. Now, I'm gonna go in there and you will get to see just how poorly I do ride this. You can laugh at me, it's fine. I've been laughing the whole time. Just more speed. I think it'd be cool if I was like good at this to come like pop off this rock up to here, but like I just need to get up this. You know, this is like It's so much harder than mountain bike. It's not harder, it's different. Mountain biking, I can muscle everything and make the bike do what I want. I cannot do that on a dirt bike. It's too heavy, and you're supposed to do it with the motor. It's so counterintuitive. Like, I'm trying to like punch up stuff like I would on a mountain bike. You have to use the clutch. You have to use the gas. This is not that difficult to get up. It took like 4 tries. Okay, it is getting a little bit dark. Thankfully, headlight dirt bike, so kind of not that big a deal, but I should probably get out of the woods. All right, despite this thing being just a little bit worse for wear, the price did reflect it, and I will go on record to say it's probably the best thing I ever bought. I love riding it. I do. I love riding it. I'm really bad at it. There's so much to learn, and it's like this really frustrating, exciting new thing that I get to learn how to do because I have like a bit of a basis for it, but not with enough stuff that carries over. Like from mountain biking, you get a lot of bad habits trying to move things around on dirt bikes with your upper body, and it doesn't work. It makes you super tired, and there's just better ways of doing it. I look forward to spending a bunch of time trying to learn all that stuff and learn how to make, maybe better, more exciting videos with these, because this is all new to me now. It's gonna be some growing pain. Anyway, I'm just gonna end this now by saying